Welcome to Propel Parts, where we make buying high-quality replacement Caterpillar parts affordable, fast, and easy. It's simple. If you have your part number, type it into the search bar. And if you don't, just give us your CAT serial number and our knowledgeable US team will help you find the exact part that fits. You can chat with us online, reach us by phone, or send us a quick email. Whichever method you choose, we are committed to helping you find the part that is guaranteed to fit. At Propel Parts, our commitment doesn't stop there. We are also dedicated to getting parts to you quickly at reasonable rates. In addition to ground shipping on many parts, we offer second day and next day deliveries in the United States. For our international customers, express shipping is just as quick and affordable. So check us out, Propel Parts, replacement parts at a price that won't break the bank.